Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. We still in Mardi Gras season. Yep, we missed Fat Tuesday for the release, but still, we in Ash Wednesday. And what better way to celebrate Mardi Gras than with a po' boy? I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Cajun chicken po' boy. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our Cajun seasoned flour here. I bought it pre-made. Now you can make your own Cajun seasoned flour. That's totally up to you. Back here, we have our boneless chicken breast, buttermilk, mayo, spicy brown mustard, Creole seasoning, paprika in this dish here, Sriracha sauce, pickle juice, black pepper, cayenne pepper, more paprika, garlic powder, salt, hot sauce, and more Creole seasoning. So this is what you need. Let's get to it. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is prepare our buttermilk marinade. And we have our buttermilk here. We're gonna add our hot sauce, our salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and our Creole seasoning. And we're just gonna do a quick mix like this to get it all combined. Really, really simple. Just like that. Now we're gonna take an empty dish. We'll add our chicken in here. If you had a big enough dish, you didn't have to, remove your chicken from that, but I had it in that small dish. But you wanna make sure you have a big enough dish. And now you're gonna take your marinade and you're gonna pour it here over your chicken like this. And we're gonna make sure all those pieces get submerged into this marinade. We're gonna sit this aside for about an hour, up to 4 hours, or you can even do it overnight. It's totally up to you. I don't personally think we need it in here that long, but it's totally up to your discretion. So we're gonna sit this aside and start making our spread for our po' boy. All right, so let's continue with our spread. We should be able to fit everything in this little small dish. So we got our mayo here. We're gonna add our spicy brown mustard. Now, if you don't have spicy brown mustard, that's fine. You can use Dijon mustard, our Sriracha sauce, pickle juice, little Creole seasoning, paprika. We're just gonna give that a mix. Well, maybe this is probably pretty small, but hey, we're gonna make it happen. So guys, I had to change that out. That was too small. Just trying to save back on washing dishes, even though I don't wash them. All right, so this is what we have. That's our spread for our sandwich. All right, so now we're just gonna sit this aside, wait until our chicken finish marinate, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start frying our chicken, all right? Also, guys, this is the bread we're gonna use. This is a baguette, or you can use French bread. It's totally up to you. All they had in my store is this baguette, so I'm gonna use this already split it. You just wanna cut it down here to the end, not all the way through. This gives you the ability to stuff your po' boy without it falling out on the other side, all right? All right, guys, so now that our chicken is done marinating, we're gonna remove it from our marinade, drop it in our flour, place it right here on our baking rack or resting rack. Add it in here like that. Take our other hand, just like that. Sit that right here. And we're gonna do this with the remaining of the pieces, and we're gonna come back, all right? All right, so we finished breading all our chicken pieces. Now we're gonna head over to our stove, get our oil heated up around 350, so we can start dropping these babies in there, all right? All right, so now our oil is at 350 degrees. We're gonna start dropping our chicken pieces. Guys, you don't wanna overcrowd it too much. Feel free to cook these babies in batches. And we're gonna cook these for about 6 to 8 minutes. And again, you'll notice as your chicken starts to rise that, that they're done. All right, guys, so looks like we're good on this batch here. Take a look at that. We're gonna go ahead and remove that, sit this on a resting rack or cooling rack, and we're going to finish the remaining of our chicken pieces. All right, so we're finishing up our last batch right here, and we're just gonna add that to our resting rack too. All right, so let's head over to our cutting board. All right, so here are our chicken pieces all fried. Now, we're heading into the final step, and that's just to build out our po' boy. Let's bring our bread over to the cutting board so we can go ahead and finish this out. And there you have it, guys. Cajun fried chicken po' boy. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control, because this baby looking good. And we back in this thing, quality control. Man, look at that, man. I know y'all like, oh man. Man, you got some chicken back over there in the back like that. Oh, we got it full of chicken, baby. Oh man, let's get to it. Oh man. Chicken falling out of this thing. Let's see the chicken sauce. Can I do one more? Oh man. If you want to, you can definitely do chicken tenders. I like the nuggets better for me. I know they falling out, but I feel like I get some in every bite. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you definitely want this in your arsenal. It's Mardi Gras season. You know how they do po' boy. Even though we're a day behind Fat Tuesday, it's still Ash Wednesday. Mardi Gras season is still in effect to the end of the week. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. You just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.